Good afternoon. This is David Hernandez once again with a mini educational seminar regarding topics of interest for my clients or the public in general. Today's topic will be truck accidents. Trucking and or the trucking business is actually a very huge business, not only in the city and state of New York, but across the country. Our office has handled several truck accidents resulting in huge recoveries. And if you think about it, if a truck rumbling down the road rear ends your vehicle, hopefully you'll be alive to discuss it another day. When dealing with a truck accident, there are several agencies involved, and depending on the severity of the injuries, the investigation is very extensive, and it's also usually done very rapidly. And after the investigation at the scene, the truck involved will be relocated and may be repaired, altered, and or destroyed. If these things occur, most of your best evidence will have been lost. For example, all trucks have what are called, like airplanes, black boxes. And the black box has information regarding many things. Where the truck was, how long it's been being driven, when was it stopped, the speed it was going, how the brakes were used. And today, they also have video cameras in many trucks and other tools, technology or technological tools, which will help to prove the liability of the truck driver. However, the longer you wait, the greater the possibility that this evidence will be lost forever. If a thorough investigation was not taken by the police officers or other agencies, then it is imperative that this information be obtained. Thank you.